The clipboard history is an option that is disabled by default on Windows computers. And what does it do, by the way? It keeps tracks of items copied to the clipboard. What's a clipboard? A clipboard is the space left in memory for storing stuff temporarily, and it is deleted when the computer is shut down. With the clipboard history on Windows, you can access and paste previously copied text. Welcome to Danzzy Tech World. A sub to this channel will be appreciated. We go to Settings and locate Systems, or you can also search for Clipboard on the search bar. Then select the Clipboard section. Under Clipboard History, toggle the button on. In case you get here and it is grayed out, here is what you should do. Open Group Policy and follow as I do. So we'll go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Systems, OS Policies, and change this to Enabled. Restart the PC afterwards for it to work properly. And you are good to go. You can now access the clipboard history by pressing the Windows key and the V key. Hope you enjoyed this video. Click on any of these for more. Thanks for watching.